Hi guys, welcome to Manual Education. So today I am going to discuss few interesting questions from maths which will be very helpful for MCA entrance examination like NIM CET, MCA CET and other entrance examination for MCA. So today our topic is integration. So here we have the first question. We have to integrate this function, integral of square root 1 plus 2 cot x इंटू cosec x प्लस cot x. ठीक है, अगर ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को आपको सॉल्व करना है, वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व इट डायरेक्टली. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू रिड्यूस दिस टर्म इनटू अ सिंगल फॉर्म. ठीक है, ये सारे टर्म्स को आपको सिंप्लीफाई करना होगा. कैसे आप सिंप्लीफाई करोगे? वी हैव 1 प्लस 2 cot इंटू cosec x प्लस cot x. ठीक है, अब ऐसे क्वेश्चन को सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए सिंपली आप इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई cot टू cosec x वी विल गेट 2 cot x into cosec x, and similarly when you multiply it you will get 2 cot square x. ठीक है, we can write 1 plus cot square x plus 2 cot x into cosec x. और यहाँ पे 2 cot square x था, मैंने एक यहाँ लिया है, so we have again rest cot square x. This is the trigonometric formula, trigonometric identity. It will be equal to cosec square x plus 2 cot x into cosec x plus cot square x. Now this is the identity of a plus b ka whole square, right? So we can write it cosec x plus cot x ka whole square. ठीक है, therefore the integral of this function will be equal to square root of cosec x plus cot x का whole square. ये सारे टर्म रिड्यूस हो गए इस टर्म में. when you find the integration you will get cosec x plus cot x का integral with respect to dx, right? now we can write it as 1 plus cos x अपॉन sin x का डिफरेंशिएशन. दिस 1 प्लस cos x is nothing but 2 cos square x by 2, and similarly we can apply the formula of sin x which is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. ठीक है, and we have to integrate with respect to x. so 2 से 2 cancel, cos square x से cos x by 2 cancel. so now we have integral cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2 with respect to dx, and this is nothing but the integral of cot x by 2. The integral of cot x by 2 is equal to 2 log sin x by 2 plus c. So hence the correct option is the first one. So whenever you see this kind of questions, you have to simplify the trigonometric functions and then you have to integrate. Okay, now the next question is integral e raised to x 1 plus sin x into cos x upon cos square x dx. देखो ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में जब भी क्वेश्चन कुछ इस तरीके का हो, e raised to x फंक्शन प्लस फंक्शन का डिफरेंशिएशन, ठीक है, dx, then this value is directly is equal to e raised to x into fx plus c. अगर आप ये फॉर्मूला यूज करते हो then you can solve it easily in 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, so here we have e raised to x. Can we write this term as 1 upon cos square x plus sin x into cos x upon cos square x, right everyone? So we can cancel out cos x. Now you will get e raised to x, this value is nothing but sec square x, and this value is equal to tan x, correct? This tan x is nothing but the function and this sec square x is the differentiation of tan x, right everyone? So therefore the integral of this function is equal to e raised to x into function plus c. So you can write it e raised to x, the function is what? Tan x plus c. This is the integral of the given function. Hence the correct option is the third one. Thank you everyone. So if you are preparing for MCA entrance 2022 and 2023, you can contact us for live classes, classroom, books, mocks, GD, VAT, interview and mentorship. You can call for online or live classes 8828581455. So if you are Mumbai based, you can join our classroom coaching at Mumbai. You can call Borivali Center, Vasai Center or Dadar Center. So please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and join us on our social platform like Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. Please check the link in the description for more details. Thank you.